We will create an e-commerce application with the Cosmos database and a storage account. This is the architecture diagram for it. So we will save the images in the storage account and the data in the Cosmos database. These are the resource group we needed, and these are the resources we need to create. Let's jump to create the resource group. So first of all, we need to create a one resource group where all resources will be under this resource group. So now once we create the resource group, we will create one Cosmos database, and this is will be the account number name. So let's search with the Cosmos database. So we have two options. One is option is Cosmos database, and another option is we can create with the MongoDB. We will select NoSQL, and here we need to select the environment workload type. So since we are for the just testing purpose, so we are selecting development, and we need to provide the account name, and let's click on create. Oops, we get some error. Let's see what it is. Okay, look like in this location it is not allowing to create a Cosmos database account. So let's change that to other location. Now click on next button. Let's click on create button. Oh, it will not have any error. Okay, it is done now. Now jump uh, to create another resource group, another resource, that is storage. Okay, before that we need to copy the some keys that we will require in the console application as well as in the web application. So let's copy the URL, primary key, and primary connection string. For that one, we need to go to the key section and copy the URL and put it in a notepad. So I already provided a value, and copy the connections primary key, and then primary connection string. Now let's uh, create a storage account where we will save the images. Click on create button and search storage account. Click on create, copy the storage account name, Choose the storage type, select redundancy, click on next, next, leave all the setting as it is, and finally click on create button. Okay, looks like storage account is created. Now we need to create one container as a images where all the images of that application will be saved. So let's go to the container, click on add container and provide the images. Open the container and copy this storage access token, that is a blob SS token that we need it to upload the or to read the images. Now we had to upload the some few images into this container. So let's jump to the container and then click on upload button. Upload all the images. These are the product images, and click on upload. Okay, now this is the console application, and where we will upload one a model.json file into the Cosmos database. And so for that one we need to provide a partition key, and this is the file where the all the detail about the model is. Model.json is nothing but a database. This consists of all information about the all products. Let's build the application. Okay, looks like it's got the error, and let's we need to add one package. So okay, then let's run it. Oops, we got the error like auth key is not provided. Oh, okay, we had to provide some end URL as well as authorization key. So since we are not provided, that's the reason we got the error. Let's copy the URL. This URL is Cosmos database access URL, and this primary key will provide the authentication. It's just like a token and allow to access the storage account, not a storage account, sorry, Cosmos database. Let's click on run, and now the database created, and it's look like it's work well. Let's see into the portal whether it is uploaded or not. Go to the Cosmos database and then Data Explorer. Go to online and click on new query. Here is one query. Uh, let's click on run. This is the same JSON which we provided in the model.json file. Let's see how many records are available. Click on execute query. Okay, perfect. Now we need to create a one web application where it will integrate the Azure Cosmos database as well as the storage account. So for that one, we had to provide a block storage account. Here we need to provide a container URL. Let's copy container URL, and in order to access, we need to provide one token. So that is we already copied, and this is the endpoint of the Cosmos database DB. So all these values we need to put it in the app setting. So one more of the key we forget to add, that is a block SOS token. So just copy it from the site, and now here we need to provide all the values. First of all, we need to provide a URL, that is a block storage token URL, allow to access the images, and this is the token. Let's click on run. Okay, we need to select the proper project. So go to the configuration and select the web, and then click on OK. Let's click on run. Okay, so all text information will be fetched from the Cosmos database, and the image will be taken from the block storage. This is how it is a basic e-commerce application. Yeah, open any images, it will give the information about the product and the price. Yeah, thank you.